Mr. Balasurya, I want to ask you a question. How to be happy in our life?
I understand. Yes, that's a good question. Life is not worth living if it is not happy. Am I making myself clear? Life should be essentially happy. Right.
Yes.
Now you ask the question, how to be happy. In fact, happiness is not something to be gained. Happiness is not out there which you must gain. Happiness is simply within you. So the real happiness comes from discovering your own happiness within. Now there's a natural happiness in us. Now, for instance, children are all the time happy.
Yes.
Because they are very close to the natural happiness in life. The more we develop, the more our ego develops, what happens? We get away from the natural happiness. Right. Now I want to say, to be happy you need not do anything. Because happiness is always there with every one of us. Now in this moment there is happiness. That means in every moment there is some kind of happiness. All what you have to do is to understand the happiness that is prevailing in this very moment. You see?
Yes.
So there are various kind of happiness. Now in this moment I may have some kind of happiness. So happiness differs in its, like color differs. Now yellow color, green color, purple color, likewise the color differs. Likewise happiness also differs, and it has its own shape, its own shade. So if we are sensitive to the happiness existing at this very moment, right, you live with that happiness. That's all.
Yes, I understand.